Teams need great tools to capture their ideas. Microsoft Whiteboard is an endless canvas for people to work together in person or remotely across multiple devices. Surface Hub 2S lights up the Microsoft Whiteboard experience with a gorgeous large screen display and advanced inking capabilities.
You can open the Whiteboard app from the welcome screen and jump right in. There are so many great features built into Whiteboard to help you create your content. In settings, you have the ability to customize the background of your canvas, including different line options and colors.
Speaking of color, there are also a variety of ink colors available, and you can choose the appropriate pen thickness. Now you can enjoy the seamless inking experience of the Surface Hub 2 pen.
There are also some tools to help you structure your content. The ruler to assist you in drawing straight lines. In settings, you can turn on ink to shape and ink to table. Now when you draw a shape, Whiteboard will perfect it for you. And if you want to create a table, for example, to capture action items out of a meeting, you simply start by drawing a rectangle, add some grid lines, and Whiteboard will recognize your intent. Now you can start to add content and the table will intelligently adjust to fit.
When you sign in, you're able to access previously started whiteboards. This is game-changing for teamwork. With physical whiteboards, the best you can do is take a photo at the end of a meeting. But with a persistent digital whiteboard, you can pick up right where you left off and continue to add ideas. You can invite your colleagues to contribute to the whiteboard, and they can add to it at any time from anywhere on multiple devices, from phones to tablets to laptops.
No whiteboard would be complete without sticky notes. In Microsoft Whiteboard, you can add notes, change the color, and either type or ink on them, and the content will move with the note.
You can even group your notes into stacks to help categorize your ideas. You can swipe to flick through them or tap twice to expand. One of the most powerful features of Microsoft Whiteboard is the ability to convert images to ink using Ink Grab. Earlier, we talked about photos of physical whiteboards. By tapping this button, you can make those photos usable again. The image is converted into ink and you can keep adding to it. Let's say that you needed to insert an additional step into this flow diagram. You can use the lasso tool by holding down on the button on the Surface Hub 2 pen to select multiple items and then move them to create space for the new step. And if you're worried some of the ink isn't clear, you can select it and use the same icon as before to make it more legible, thanks to the ink beautification feature.
There's so much more to explore in Microsoft Whiteboard, and it's great on Surface Hub 2S, so we hope you check it out.